Hey everyone, Vitaly here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to find keywords for YouTube videos, and there's going to be a few strategies that I show you. The first one is completely free, where you utilize the YouTube search engine itself, which will show you whichever popular keywords pop up for whatever is relevant to your video. And the second one is using a cool tool that is actually paid but very beneficial if you're serious about growing a YouTube channel, which actually shows you keywords that some of your biggest competitors are using, which you can then utilize in your own videos as well. So I'm going to be getting into the details of all of that in today's video, but before I do, let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Vitaly, if you don't already know, and on this channel I cover the subject of making money online. I actually do it for a living. My main model is affiliate marketing as well as other methods. Here are some of my stats in this business, as well as some other ones over here, as well as over here, but I cover this subject in great detail in many different branches on my channel. You're welcome to contact me, comment on whatever videos you want which are interesting to you, ask me questions, and obviously I'm going to be covering the subject of how to find keywords for YouTube videos. But one last thing I want to mention is that if you are watching this and you're someone that is new or struggling to making money online, perhaps building a YouTube channel, an online business, affiliate marketing, whatever the case is, there's a resource link that I will leave underneath this video in the description and pinned comment, which will showcase what I consider to be the #1 recommendation for learning all of this stuff. It's what got me to where I am in this business, and it's something that has a lot of success stories. It's free to get started with. It's basically a program that teaches you how to build an online business from your passions across multiple platforms, including YouTube. So be sure to check that out if you're interested. But getting back to the main point, again, the subject is YouTube keywords for YouTube videos. So the first strategy is completely free, very beginner friendly. For most people, this is going to be more than enough, and all you're doing here is taking whatever subject or subjects your video that you're looking to upload onto YouTube is based on, and then type in those keywords into the search and see what the autofill provides. So here was what this looks like. Now I basically have a channel on affiliate marketing, so most of my videos are on that topic, and I'll usually start by typing in the keyword affiliate marketing. Now you'll notice that as I type these things in, there is an autofill which adds in other keywords, and these keywords are not added in by accident. These are keywords that are popularly searched by other people on the YouTube search engine. So just by this popping up, I know that these are keywords that people are actually typing and looking for. So what I will do is I will look at whichever keywords pop up over here that are relevant, and I will add them to my keyword list. Let's say that it's over here. This is a video that I'm uploading. I'll add them into the keyword tags area over here based on what I find over here. So that's one of the approaches, and one of the other branches within this same strategy is to also use the ABC, the alphabet soup technique, basically. So I have affiliate marketing. I can type in the letter A and I will see which A's pop up. So there's Amazon, Amazon for beginners, ads, and this and that. And another thing you'll very commonly find is that a lot of the keywords that you find may not necessarily be pertinent to whichever video you're uploading in the moment, but it can give you content ideas for future stuff. So let's say I'm uploading a video about affiliate marketing for blogging, or how to do blogging and affiliate marketing, something like that, and I see this pop up, Amazon, Amazon for beginners, Amazon, Pinterest, and I'm thinking to myself, well, I can't use these keywords in the current video that I'm uploading, but I can make another video in the future about how to do Amazon affiliate marketing. So you can find a lot of future content ideas this way, and then add whatever keywords are relevant for that in the future video. You can make a note of it, whatever the case is. So you'll notice that as I go through the A, B, C, D, and all that stuff all the way up to Z, I will see whichever keywords pop up that are relevant, and I will add them into the keyword tag area of my video that I'm uploading. Now another thing that I can do is basically type in keywords like how to, ways to, and then the keyword that's associated with my topic, with my niche, and then see what pops up with the autofill. So for example, let's say that it's not affiliate marketing, let's say like it's camping. So I will type in camping or something like that. Again, you'll get searches for that, but I can do how to camp. So camping, how to camping is not exactly grammatically correct. So when I say how to camp, you will see that these pop up. How to camp with a dog, how to create a campfire, and you can also mix up the keywords as well, because it's not like you just have to put the exact same keyword in to get rankings for it. How to camp for beginners is pretty cool. How to camp at home at Yosemite. B, again, you can implement the A to Z technique that I'm showing you here. Play around with this, see which keywords pop up for you. The autofill will greatly help fill in a lot of the blanks and give you a bunch of different ideas. This is a really, really cool strategy. So that concludes the first one. Again, it's free. You can completely use it. Go for it, see which results you get. Ask me any questions about it in the comments if you have them. Now, the second option is actually a paid one. It involves using a tool called Tubebuddy. You may or may not have heard of it, but Tubebuddy is probably one of the, if not the most popular extension that people use on YouTube, especially if they're serious content creators in many cases. And Tubebuddy is basically an add-on program that you add within YouTube that analyzes just a bunch of stuff. It analyzes your competitor videos. It tells you which keywords they're ranking for. It tells you how many views they're getting, and basically SEO stuff that you would otherwise not see. So for example, if I'm looking at videos on camping so I can see ideas, I can't see which keywords they're targeting or what their SEO is, but with Tubebuddy I can. So for example, here's a video of someone, so I typed in like, how to do Pinterest or how to get more traffic from Pinterest, and this person's video popped up. You'll see on the right over here this window popped up that says Videolytics, and it's telling me all this data about the best practices and all this kind of stuff about what this person is doing that I could also be doing. So if I'm trying to create a video on how to get more traffic from Pinterest to your website, I can utilize these things and do that as well. In fact, Tubebuddy will also give you this checklist as well. I'll leave a link to it below this video. Now again, I believe there's a free version, but I have the paid version for a year. So that's what I personally use. It's totally up to you if you want to use it. But within the context of today's video, we're talking about how to find keywords for YouTube. What you can do with competitor videos is scroll down over here where it says tags, and guess what? These are all the tags this person is using in her video. So I'm going to click on copy if I want to do that, and I'm going to click on copy to clipboard, and then let's say this is the video that I want to add those keywords to. Let's say this is a video about Pinterest, and let's assume that none of these keywords are here. I'm just going to click on Control V, which is paste, and boom, all of these keywords are now added to my video. Now obviously this is more than the 500 mark, but you get the point of where I'm coming from with this. So you can honestly use the first strategy to find a lot of these keywords yourself, but in this case we're using authority figures with videos that are getting a lot of views, which is ultimately what you want to do with your YouTube keyword traffic targeting and stuff, and we're just using the same keywords that they are. Obviously you want to upload your own content and all this kind of stuff, but this is just an easier, faster way to do it with Tubebuddy. There's a bunch of other benefits to it, but within the keyword context, this is how you can use it. So that summarizes the two main strategies for how to find keywords on YouTube. I hope that it was helpful. If you have any questions about it, let me know. And once again, if you are new or struggling to making money online and you need help with that, with affiliate marketing, building a business, a YouTube channel, all that kind of stuff, check out the resource below in the description of this video, as well as the pinned comment. It showcases the program that helped me get to where I am in this business today. It's free to get started with. They have a lot of success stories, and yeah, check that out if you have the time. Other than that, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Take care, everyone.